If you want to significantly enhance your school website and reputation, if you would like to save time by reducing the number of lengthy school tours given to unlikely parents, and if you want to be able to show the very best side of your school in a way that will engage and involve students, staff and parents in an enjoyable video project, then a school video prospectus could just be the answer for you. A school video prospectus is a simple and highly effective way to allow prospective parents to see and understand your school, its ethos and its core values at a time that is convenient for them and before they come to visit, saving you a great deal of time and significantly increasing the likelihood of visiting parents requesting a place at your school. This is also a great way for you to promote creative teamwork and involvement at all levels of the school, and we always aim to ensure a fun and enjoyable experience is had by all from start to finish. We carefully manage the project for you at every step, ensuring that you are fully involved throughout the process, and we will be happy to release the final video to you before final payment at no extra charge, allowing you to align payment with your school budget calendar. We will also be happy to provide you with a high quality aerial print of your school and its students, together with digital images at no additional cost if you choose the combined ground and aerial video prospectus package. Additional projects available to schools include high quality video and production of special school events such as school plays, nativity plays and Year 6 Leavers productions, and we can also provide the aerial drone video and photography as a standalone package if preferred. These projects are an excellent win-win for all involved and can often generate additional income for your school funds. Whichever school project you choose with Capture Videography, you can be sure of a friendly, reliable and enjoyable experience for your school, your team and your children. For more information and a free, no obligation chat about any of these or other project ideas, please contact us on 07801 996 074, via email at info@capturevideography.co.uk or by visiting our website. We look forward to hearing from you soon.